What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be comparing Doterra's line of essential oils to Young Living and Cliganic. Now, when I started using essential oils many years ago, this was probably like 15 years ago, I started by using Young Living essential oils because this was a very prominent brand and it still is a massive brand. And then Doterra came out, and Doterra actually was a branch off of Young Living essential oils. There was some sort of feud within the company, within the family, I believe, in the company, and they branched off and created Doterra. And I personally felt like, based on my experience of using both Young Living and Doterra essential oils, that Doterra essential oils were a little bit better and a little bit cheaper. And I used Doterra for years, and I loved it. I used their frankincense, peppermint, citrus oils, floral oils, and many other things. And I still think Doterra is a great brand. However, I recently discovered a company called Cliganic, and their essential oils are certified organic. Every single one of them, I believe, at least the ones that I got. I got frankincense, tea tree oil, peppermint, pink grapefruit, and black pepper. So I got sort of a variety to test the brand out and to give my feedback and my opinion. And the variety being, you know, some of them are from trees, some of them are citrusy, minty, like sort of the range, right? And what I found was that when I used these oils, there were some of them that were different and some of them that were about the same as, you know, something like Doterra or Young Living essential oils. So let me break that down. So let me just break down the 5 that I tried so I can share with you my experience with those. And then I'll share with you the price difference and why I think there is a price difference between Cliganic and Doterra and Young Living and what the real reason for that is. So frankincense, it's organic, and I'll be honest with you, I was hoping for a little bit, by the way, these are also non-GMO project verified. So they're non-GMO project verified and organic certified, which is pretty cool because in terms of quality, I like to see both of those labels in the products that I use, and it has both of those labels. So with that being said, I think that's cool. Doterra and Young Living are not certified organic or non-GMO project verified. With that being said, I used the frankincense, and what I did was I just gauged it based on sort of the tests that I created based on the experiences that I've had with essential oils from Doterra, more particularly Doterra than Young Living, because Young Living was many years ago, and this is more of a comparison to Doterra, I will say, because I've used a lot more Doterra, but also I'll talk about Young Living and all this as well. So frankincense, one thing that I've noticed, and this is a cool tip, is that if you take frankincense and you take like 2 or 3 drops on your tongue and just keep it in your mouth right before you go to sleep, I have personally had more vivid, clear dreams, and my dream recall increased. Now, that was with Doterra's essential oil frankincense. With Cliganic, I've used it, and I've had a little bit more dream clarity and recall, but not as much as Doterra. And I'll get to why I think that is when I get through all these oils. Moving on to the next oil, the tea tree oil. I've used like more than half of this bottle. I use this every single day. It's incredible. I don't notice any difference of this tea tree oil versus Doterra versus Young Living versus any of the brands, but this is just a lot cheaper, certified organic and certified non-GMO project verified. So no difference with the tea tree oil. With the peppermint oil, no difference in terms of like, if I take a drop on my tongue, no difference in terms of the taste or the smell. However, Doterra's peppermint oil is stronger. If I take like 1 or 2 drops of Doterra's peppermint oil and I take 1 or 2 drops of Cliganic's essential oil, like I could take a drop of Cliganic's peppermint right now just to kind of show you, to illustrate this. That was actually 2 drops. And, you know, it kind of hits, right? It's peppermint. And I can feel it, but if I did 2 drops like that of Doterra, my whole face would like light up and be burning. And I can feel it right now. It's strong. And it's there, but it's just not as strong. So it's close, but it's just, I don't think it's as strong. That's my personal, it's hard to say, honestly. It's close. It's kind of taken a while and it's setting in. Maybe it's close. It's close. I thought it was a little bit less, but maybe it's actually pretty similar. Maybe the 2 drops. It's tough to tell. It's also very close with the peppermint, to be honest. Pink grapefruit oil, citrus, organic certified, as well as non-GMO project verified. It tastes the same, smells the same, looks the same. I mean, they all look the same, let's be honest. But really no difference there. And then the last one, the black pepper oil, I don't really recall using black pepper oil from Doterra, to be honest, but it seems like it's pretty much the same. So what gives? What's the difference between this brand Cliganic and Doterra and Young Living? Well, Young Living started, Doterra continued, and now there's brands like Cliganic that are continuing the essential oil mission, except for these brands are certified organic and non-GMO project verified, and they're a lot cheaper, way cheaper. In some cases, like half the cost. And what is the reason for that? Well, Doterra and Young Living are both multi-level marketing or network marketing companies, so they have levels of people that earn money when you get referred and purchase their essential oils. With that being said, I noticed the frankincense is different. The frankincense smells different, it tastes different, and it's not the same product as Doterra's frankincense. So, to be honest, I think some of the oils are going to be different, but the cheaper oils, like the tea tree, peppermint, grapefruit, black pepper, it seems like the cheaper oils are going to be about the same, meaning the oils that are just not as much from Doterra, Young Living, or Cliganic are going to be about the same. But then maybe the more expensive oils, maybe like frankincense or like Melissa or some of these other oils that are very pricey, those just might be a different in terms of quality. The reason I think it's cheaper, there's a few reasons for that, because it also costs money to get USDA certification as well as non-GMO project verification. So Cliganic has to pay more money to prove to you that their products are organic and non-GMO project verified, yet they cost much less. So how is that possible? Well, there's a few reasons for that. One, in Young Living and Doterra, you're paying for a product and a lot of people are earning money for referring that product to you. So that's the first reason. The secondary reason is, in my opinion, frankincense from Cliganic, it's either much more diluted or it's an entirely different form of frankincense than what Doterra or Young Living uses. And the reason for that is because my test, like whether it's a taste test, a smell test, a topical test, or in the case of frankincense, something that I take internally and I notice my dream recall increase, it just hasn't been the same with Cliganic's frankincense. So I think, and it doesn't smell the same and it doesn't taste the same. So I think it's just like, how do you sell a high-priced oil that's organic and non-GMO? I think you have to dilute it a bit. But here's the kicker. That's not all bad, and here's why. There is some literature and research that shows that ingesting essential oils, which I just did in front of you, can be harmful to your health because it's so strong for your body that it can basically cause issues because it's overwhelming. So if Cliganic is a little bit more diluted, and you're ingesting these oils, that may not necessarily be a bad thing. In fact, that may actually be a good thing for your health. I haven't personally suffered any negative side effects of ingesting essential oils, and I've ingested a lot of essential oils. I would recommend, however, if you are ingesting essential oils, to ingest them with food, unless it's like on your tongue. But if you're like swallowing them into your stomach, it's probably good to have quite a bit of water and or food, because the more that's like spread out, the more naturally mimicking that would be in your body, because essential oils are from plants. And it takes a lot of plant material to create one essential oil, and that's sort of unnatural in that sense, but the fiber and the fat and the protein and the things that are in food buffer the absorption of those same phytochemicals. Essential oils are phytochemicals, that's P-H-Y-T-O, phytochemicals that are extracted from the plants. So is it healthy? Is it not to ingest essential oils? That's really up for debate, to be honest with you. But when I do ingest essential oils, I typically will drink a lot of water with those essential oils that I'm ingesting, or I'll have food as well around that same time period so that I'm buffering it with fat and protein and carbs, or at least fat, protein, and fiber, not carbs, fat, protein, and fiber. So with that being said, Cliganic, I like them. I'm gonna be using their products. I'm gonna be using their essential oils, but I'll probably go back to Doterra with the frankincense. And I'll probably do a future review on Cliganic's essential oils as well, like their other ones as well. But from what I've noticed, tea tree, peppermint, pink grapefruit, black pepper, all the same. It's just a lot cheaper and it's certified organic, so it's actually a little bit higher quality in terms of purity, and maybe a little bit more diluted, but it's a little bit more pure. So I think it's worth the trade-off. So I'll put the link to Cliganic below. Check that out. I think there's a discount code below as well, so check that out and use that discount code. And if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands, I review health and wellness brands, and I have discount codes, free shipping, special offers, and all that kind of stuff on more than 20 brands. So visit healthywildfree.com/shop below to visit that link and get all those discounts from all these different brands that are worth discovering. They're organic, biodynamic, non-GMO, all these types of things, superfoods, supplements, and so much more. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.